boat on the back straight, right out wide.
20 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. End of pit time. No more boats in the water. You are now in mill time.
20 seconds till start of race. 15 seconds till start of race. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wing start. Boys out in front. All boats have now started. One down all. Whoa, got a dead boat on the front straight. Found lane 3. Pushing it too hard. Two down Coxie, 2 down Brad. Last lap Coxie. Last lap Brad. Last lap Jeff. Finish timing, well done, please complete. Finish Brad, please complete. Finish Jeff, you may cut the course.